Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pharma Achievers. The topic which I'm going to discuss today is about 5 marks question, that is functions of the skin, in which you have to mention about 15 to 18 points and you have to explain around 6 to 8 points. The functions of the skin are protection, prevention of water loss, barrier to germs and chemicals, safety against sunburn, chemical and immunological defense, maintenance of body form, thermoregulation, excretion and hemostasis, secretion, sensation, synthesis, formation of bones and teeth, aiding or supporting in diagnosis, storage of food, color, hearing of or healing of wounds, absorption as well as blood reservoir. See, while writing answer, you have to mention all these 18 points or possibly 12 to 15 points. Then you have to go on explaining each of them. First function of the skin is thermoregulation. Sweat glands that will secrete the sweat, it will help in regulation of the body temperature by expulsion of heat. Expulsion means releasing of the heat, and also it will secrete the sweat to regulate the body temperature. When our body becomes hot, the sweat will come, it will go out of the body, it will reduce the temperature by cooling down the body. To maintain the constant temperature, a negative feedback mechanism, positive feedback mechanism, negative feedback mechanism, two mechanisms will come under pharmacology. Here, for maintaining constant body temperature, negative feedback mechanism regulate the balance between heat produced and heat lost. Temperature regulating center is present in the hypothalamus in the brain. When the body temperature rises, vasodilatation occurs, sweating occurs, leading to temperature fall. But when the body temperature fall down, vasoconstriction will occur, heat will get conserved and temperature will get risen. This is about the thermoregulation. Second function is act as a blood reservoir. We know that our body, human skin, is a network of our blood vessels present which will provide or carries the blood to all part of the body. Third one is protection. The skin, it will protect the underlying structures and tissues from the damage, heat, pain, pressure, temperature, chemicals and etc. It will protect the invasion of microorganisms into the body, acting as a barrier. Barrier means opposition. The microorganisms cannot easily enter into our body due to the presence of the skin. The sebum that is secreted by sebaceous gland will act as a bactericidal. In the previous video I said bactericidal and bacteriostatic difference. Bactericidal means killing the bacteria, and fungicidal and protect the skin from drying and damaging, keeping it smooth. The sebum that has been produced, it will kill the bacteria, it will kill the fungi, it will produce the sebum in which it will keep the skin moist away from the drying as well as damaging. The melanocyte cells, it will secrete the pigment called melanin, which will absorb the UV radiation from the sunlight, protecting from skin damage. In the skin, different type of cell are there: keratinocyte, melanocyte, Langerhans cells, different. But melanocyte, it will produce melanin. Melanin will absorb UV radiation from the sunlight, thus protecting from the skin damage. Cutaneous sensation. Sensory nerve ending in the derma is able to detect the stimuli like heat, pressure, temperature, pain. See, when we touch our skin, we can feel the stimulus, or we can feel the heat, pressure, temperature, pain, sensation. It is due to the sensory nerve endings that is present at our dermal skin layer. So skin is called as a sensory organ. It will give a quick response to the stimuli and protect sometime from the skin damage. For example, suddenly hand is taken back when we touch the hot substance. When we touch the hot plate or hot substance, we will take back our hand immediately. It is due to the sensory nerve endings that is present in our skin. Excretion as well as absorption. Skin helps in the excreting of many of the waste materials out of the body through the sweat. See, different excretory organs are there. Along with the feces as well as urine, our waste materials from our body are even eliminated or excreted through the sweat. Hence, skin act as an excretory organ. It helps in the absorption of many of the substance through the pores. Example, lotion, cream, and also some of the minerals. See, skin is a multifunctional. It will excrete the waste materials in the form of sweat. It will absorb the required or essential material in the form of the lotions, cream, or whatever gels we apply through our skin due to the presence of pore that on the skin membrane. It will help in maintaining up of the hemostasis. Skin, it will also helps in synthesis of vitamin D. Skin will also helps in the synthesis of vitamin D. This was about the 5 marks question, that is explain the functions of the skin. Thank you. In the next video we will discuss about another pharmaceutical analysis topic or HAP topic. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Pharma Achievers. Please press the like, subscribe and share button and support us. Thank you.